Hey guys, how are you all? In this video I'm going to show you that how can you delete or how can you add any new payment method to your Apple ID, to your Apple account, or to your iPhone. So this setting is quite private and this is like a privacy reason, but how can you do all that setting and add a payment method onto your Apple ID? For this we just need to go on the setting option on our iPhone. Here this is my home page on setting. What you have to do, click on the your name option on the top. You can see this is my name, Satancho Shekhar Misra, Apple ID, iCloud, media and purchases. So click on that option here and you will find a third option called payments and shipping. Click on the payment and shipping option here. It will redirect you to a security page of Apple here. Yes, after that it will verify your face. After unlocking it, you just have to wait for some time and then you can add any type of balance. If like I want to add 2000 rupees to my account, I will just click on the second button here and it will redirect me to a payment page where I can add simply my Google Pay ID, my Paytm ID, my UPI ID, and my any type of United payment interface. So this is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching it. You can also add a payment method like this. There is UPI ID option, that is my address here, and you can just do all the setting from here. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will meet again with next and the best video with all of you.